Wish you all the LP. We're on Monday, 1st of September. It's Labor Day in the US and it's back to school day in France. We'll talk about crypto, the market, the Wlfi launched today at 2 p.m. Also, we look at the liquidity pool on a nice opportunity as it is back to school. In France, people drive back to home, and when they drive back to home, they have a crazy surprise because their credit card doesn't work. That means traditional fee finance in France has a huge bug. This generates tremendous traffic on a traffic pool. But in the meantime, the Bitcoin is still working since 16 years live with no bug. That's just a nice story to tell for this back to school. In back to school, just remind that's good to as this type of procedure. Check your seed phrase if your computer crash now, and if you lose your ledger wallet or whatever, are you able to recover and find your seed phrase quickly? So just have a check on that. And also that's good to look at your cold wallet and to revoke the tab you're not using, or also to clear the crypto, which is the crypto spam, because people can find your public address and send content to it. We have a big week with the Labor Day. Pit network is skyrocketing. It's like a small chain link, which is faster. This is bringing Oracle information to build smart contracts, so PT is skyrocketing. There's also Chronos, which is crypto.com new blockchain, which is really fast, permissionless on open source. And we will talk about it as an opportunity in a few minutes. For the moment, the market has done a retracement. We were all hoping for this bull market time on upside. It doesn't happen. So that's important to have a strategy to know which crypto asset we are buying, to be confident about it, especially in this moment. But keep confidence. Look at that. People like BlackRock, in the meantime, they buy 968 million Ethereum. VanEck is buying more Bitcoin. Metaplanet is also rising 3.8 billion to buy more Bitcoin. And in the meantime, in Venezuela, have a fair collapse. So now people are moving to use more Bitcoin and stablecoin to make their purchase in real life. This happened when country didn't look at the debt and didn't manage it. So this can also happen to Occidental and US and French countries. So that's good to have a diversification in crypto money in your investment, I think. Tomly say that for Wall Street, they will build the system on Ethereum blockchain. And the Fed governor say we'll have 3 times interest rate in the next 3 months. If this happens, the market will skyrocket. But look at that. Why they say that? Because there is a huge amount of debt arriving to maturity in the US, 2.35 trillion, and they will love to have small interest rate to reduce the cost of the debt. So that's why we may see some nice interest cut quickly. The money supply is still flowing in with the Fed, so that's still good for the crypto market. On the Bitcoin, right now on daily we have this triangle signal. It can cut it and go down to 100k, and cut it go up to 115k. As we don't know what's gonna happen, we need to wait in stablecoin right now. Then we can buy more Bitcoin at 100k, or if it break up, we can enter in liquidity pool to join the last ETH, and maybe we have a nice range between 100k and 122k for the Bitcoin. By the way, you have to keep in mind that we are mining 4 times less Bitcoin than we are buying right now on the market, so we are still really bullish, and there is much more demand on Bitcoin than we are currently supplying. That will make the price go up, because this is not like fiat money. There's only 21 million Bitcoin, no more. no one more. So as there is more demand, the price will surely go up. I compare the Ethereum on Solana. There is a strategy on Ethereum. We may have a drawdown at of 15%, and there is a potential up of 30% in the quick time. Right now, people are moving their cash from Bitcoin to Ethereum, so we have a long-term predictable at 10K, which is really nice. But right now, I prefer Solana because there's potential retracement of 30%, which is almost the same than Ethereum. There's a potential upside of 33%. So I will put more money and will share with you an opportunity on Solana on the liquidity pool. So what we buy right now, today we have a launch of Wlfi. If we look at the tokenomics, it's a real nightmare. They will launch 100 million token, and there's only 4% release right now, which is 3.9 million, but that's nothing. They can release new token whenever we want and dump the price. Right now, if you want to bet on it, you can find the price on perpetual on hyperliquid if you want to buy it on Defi on the Arbitrum blockchain. But you can also buy it on DEX like Binance on perpetual. The price, according to Chainlink, is $0.4, which make a valorization on this, make this project arriving the top trend crypto project of the world. It's the same value than Chainlink, which is a very nice technology and nice purchase of 23 millions. This will valorize the project at 30 million, which is absolutely amazing because there's no project, no technology. That's just like a meme coin, like remind the Trump crypto or Melania crypto at the last election. So be careful about that. If you want to play bets, play a really small amount. Put a take profit target maybe at 0.80, 0.70 on this token if you want to play with it. We'll launch it today at 2 p.m. So in the discussion of the community, we'll talk about and look at that and see what's happened. On the near project, we have a nice actuality. The near intent cross chain is surging with a huge volume of 900 million. They improve the efficiency of a network of 12.5%. Stellar, which is the biggest payment company in the real world, say they will use near for the as a blockchain, which is amazing news. And a lot of people are stacking near. So even if the price is not booming right now, I'm really positive on the next future on near because the project is building. In terms of liquidity pool, as I told you, I will move more to Solana, Sol USDC with a huge range. If the price go down, I will make some DCA up to 188K on Solana, which is okay. If it go up to 220, I will make yields on capital improvement, which is also nice for me because I'm positive long term with a target price at more for than 400K on Solana in a medium time. So that's a good time, I think, for Solana, better than Ethereum for me. We see that Chronos project is booming this week. So it's a blockchain like Ethereum. You can develop a contract. It's the same code than Ethereum, but it's really a parallel blockchain. It's not a layer 2, it's a layer 1. And right now, Trump make a Trump saying they will use Chrono for the payment. So the price of Chrono local validity just blow up from 0.15 so to 0.40. I will wait a retracement to buy it for my bull bag at 0.1662 because I have imbalance here right now. And if you want to buy it in the liquidity pool not waiting, you can make an amazing APR of 648%. That's 648% commission holding some Chrono. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to put some liquidity, you have to put at least 4K to make your gas fee payment not hurting too much your ROI. There's a huge range of 50% with this type of APR. So maybe you can also buy it right now on this pool. you will then buy more chrono if the price doing decreasing as a DCA, and if the price is pumping, you're also playing the game with an improvement of 25%. So that's a nice strategy. Also, you can implement not waiting till you pull back. This will allow you to be directly making some nice commission, generate additional a token of chrono of Ethereum, which is two nice projects. So let me know in the comment if you want to have more mindset content into the community. We'll look at the Wlfi price in the coming hour. I wish you well and see you in the discussion and community. You can join us. If you join us before we launch the new content, obviously you will have access to all the new strategy. So click on the link below in the comment of this video. Bye bye.